Hari ini kita sedang masih bersama Tibo dari Prancis. Kali ini Tibo mau mengabadikan atau mendokumentasikan tentang perawatan karapan sapi yang ada di Pulau Madura. Dan yang saya pilih yang nggak jauh dari rumah ya, yaitu Mr. Suramat Black Mamba.
Black Mamba.
Beliau sekarang ada di depan dan akan nanti di-shoot oleh Tibo. Hai Tibo. Hai to my subscriber. Dan ini Surahmat yang akan direkam, wajahnya akan nyampe ke Perancis ini. Wah gila Surahmat ini. Luar biasa memang. Oke lah, nanti kita lihat bagaimana Tibo akan merekam kegiatan Surahmat di maksudnya karapan sapi. Yuk. Jadi saya sudah 4 hari dan rencanakan 5 hari kita terus kawal Tibo. Kita akan terus kawal dia untuk kita perkenalkan dengan salah satu budaya yang ada di Pulau Madura, yaitu karapan sapi. Saya lagi ambil gambar.
What is the price of a bull like that?
Berapa harga dari sapi ini, Mat?
Dari ini 50 juta dari Lumajang.
It's 50 million.
50 million?
Ya, 50 juta.
Yeah.
50 millions.
For one baby or one already like that?
Apa sudah dari bayi, apa sudah besar seperti ini, Mas?
Seperti ini barusan, nggak nyampe 1 bulan.
Yo, it's just in here, just a month. So it's big already, 50
50 million.
Yeah.
Nggak nyampe 1 bulan dari GRT.
Oh.
GRT yang beli.
Oh, it's the first owner is Mr. Tohir,
Yeah.
the one who's talking to you. It was in Probolinggo, and then this cow is in here. It's just a month.
Okay. And same for the other or just this one?
Sama yang lainnya, sama 1 bulan.
Ini aja yang belum 1 bulan.
Oh, is it just only this one? The other is yang lainnya berapa bulan di sini, Mat?
Udah lama yang itu sama ini lanjutnya, Mas.
Oh, this is a couple. This one and that one is a couple.
Okay. So they run together.
Yes, that's
Okay.
right. And this one's single. Maybe they will has another couple. And this was the longest one in here.
Okay. Must take shower every day as to him.
Apakah harus dimandikan tiap hari?
Tiap hari 3 kali.
Huh? Oh, it must be take a bath every day, 3 times a day.
3 times a
3
day.
times a day.
3 times a day.
Jamnya jam berapa? Pagi sih.
Pagi, sore, jam 5, malam jam 8.
Oh, morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening, like
Okay.
today.
And what make the cow be more good or less good for a bull? I mean,
Mhm.
what they do for the cow run more fast is more performant.
Apakah mempengaruhi mandinya tadi ke performernya atau penampilan nanti di lapangan?
Iya, lain.
Of course.
And what they do for that? It's about the food, it's about the shower, it's about what?
Apakah yang mempengaruhi itu mandinya atau makanannya?
Makanannya sama mandinya.
Oh, both food and also the taking a bath has a big effect.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
to the performance.
so even make take shower give impact, yeah, on performance.
Sorry?
Even like make bath well every day, make impact on performance.
Apakah akan berpengaruh terhadap performanya mandi itu?
Iya.
Ke penampilannya, kecepatannya.
Iya, kecepatannya terpengaruh.
Yes, it is a big impact too.
Okay. And as to him, he do it. It's his job. It's his full job to do that.
Apakah kamu melakukan ini sebagai pekerjaannya kamu?
Iya.
Nggak ada pekerjaan yang lain?
Nggak ada.
No, this is his job. He doesn't have any job, just only take care of Karapan Sapi All Bulls.
Okay, and he do it because he love it. Because what he prefer, it's his hobby. It's like it's event, it's Karapan Sapi. As to him.
Kamu melakukan ini karena hobi atau mungkin karena faktor yang lain atau masalah uang atau ekonomi atau apa? Because of hobby.
Yeah.
So it mean jadi hobi yang menghasilkan.
Yang menghasilkan.
Oh, hobi, just hobby, from the hobby get some money.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
What else?
Yeah, let's continue.
Oke, lanjut. Translator.
Is it your cow that you care about, or it's not yours?
Ya. Apakah ini sapinya Pak Surahmat sendiri?
Bukan, punya Haji Thohir sama Haji Heri.
Oh, this is not his cows, but this is his own owner. The first is Haji Thohir, and then the second is Haji Heri. So there ada dua bos berarti ya?
Iya, ada bos.
There are two bosses. Tibo.
Okay. And so they give to him the cow for he take care of them every day, and he keep him in his place for cow, right?
Ya.
To him.
Dia memberikan sapi ini untuk dirawat.
Iya.
Ya.
Ya.
Ya. Yes. They gave him to take care by Mr. Surahmat.
Okay. And what is your salary for taking care about one cow?
Rata-rata gajinya berapa untuk setiap satu sapi ini?
2 jutaan.
Satu bulan.
Iya, 1 bulan.
He got 2 million, 2 juta. 2 million ya?
Yeah.
2 million a month.
Per cow.
Satu sapi atau
Satu pasang.
one couple?
Okay.
One couple.
And what is the price per month of every product, every food, every stuff to take care? What is the price per month of that?
Do you mean
The price of
the food, all everything, blah blah?
I imagine must pay, of course, the water, the soap, the
okay,
food.
okay.
What is the price of?
Biayanya berapa? Kayak bayar air, terus makanannya, total berapa, Pak Surahmat?
Kalau air ya cuma sedikit 10.000 tiap hari.
Maaf.
Kalau makannya 50, 75.
Semuanya ya?
Iya, semuanya.
Termasuk jamu itu?
Enggak.
Jamu berapa jamu?
Kalau jamu 200, 300 per hari.
Per hari. Oh.
Ya.
So the water is 10,000 per day, and then for the like grass, the food, is that 50,000 a day. But for the ingredient jamu, the traditional for this cow is 200 a day. 200 ya, 200.
Ya.
For what this?
The jamu for the for the ingredient.
Oh, the food for powerful.
Yeah, something like that. This 200 a day. So totally 260 a day, totally all with the water or everything. Itu aja kegiatan kita hari ini menemani Thibaut dari Prancis untuk mengabadikan atau mendokumentasikan tentang karapan sapi. Itulah cara saya untuk perkenalkan karapan sapi biar tambah mendunia. Bukan begitu teman-teman? Iyalah. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tunggu terus perjalanan saya dengan Thibaut besok hari terakhir. Dia bersama saya. Kemanakah kita? Let's see later.